Hey everyone, how are we? So today I'm going to show you the educational side of MBA Trading Academy. So when you go into your back office, first of all, I can show you this. We're getting a new app in the Trading Academy. So it's going to be on your phones, which is awesome. So we'll go straight into it. Now we'll go straight to Academy, click on there, let load up. So here we have the categories you choose from, and when you start, which is really easy, the steps are so easy to do. So you look up here, and at the very top is start here. Click on that, that kicks in, and then you scroll down a little bit, and then you click on the video you want to start on. Obviously start here when you first get going. And
hey there, Jason here, founder of MBA Trading Academy, and I'm so excited for you to embark on your journey as a new trader to potentially become a full-time trader. On top of that, while building a passive income using MBA's system. Now, if you are very new to trading, you don't have any Bitcoin, you don't have anything, and you are just getting started, I highly recommend watching these next few videos before you jump straight into the technical analysis side of the education. So before that, you will have received an email. I'm going to do a breakdown video next on that email and make sure you get set up the right way.
So that's just one of the videos that you've been shown, and that's Jason Jason Griggs. He's one of the founders in MBA Trade Academy. So that's the things you go through, step 1, step 2, go through all these first, and like Jason said, the next one, after you've done your start here, you start on your technical analysis. This is where the fun begins, and this is where you learn to trade crypto. And then you just start from the start. Obviously, click on the first one, let that ride, you let it play a little bit, load it up.
All right, Spartans.
So that's the start. You just watch that, guide through it. It's good to have a piece of paper and pen to go through it with you as well. The next one, your candlestick, support, resistance, market structure, trend lines, and just go through the motions. Obviously, when they don't want to go straight through the bottom, you just start from here. You click it. So once you finish watching that one will open, and so forth and so forth. You just go through all of them. There's Fibonacci's, there's RSI's, there's MACD's, Bollinger Bands, Elliott Waves. Risk management's really good, really important. Entries and exits. Trade plan's really important. Q&A's are really good too, and part 2 as well. They're really good videos. They're very quick. About, I think an hour or so. Don't quote me on that, but just watch the videos. They're really good. They're very straight to the point, and they make a lot of sense. So once you do your technical analysis, I usually just have a look around. You can go to your Whiteboard Lessons. The Whiteboard Lessons are just a quick review of things you've done in the course as well. So you can click on whatever you want to watch. So Jason's done this one here, different strategies on taking profits. Video here, play for a little bit.
Hey guys, so today I want to do a quick video on different strategies on taking profit.
So there's other ones here, Timeline as a Trader. You just go through the motions of those ones, and it's good just to go through them, just different strategies, all that there, horseshoe, trading basic trade. You got that there, and then you have the 10-minute tutorial, tutor. Obviously they're only 10 minutes long, and they're just the same thing. You click on the button and it'll just tell you what it comes up with. So back testing, break and retest, difference between, I don't know what was there, but we'll have a look. Difference between double bottoms and inverted head and shoulders. You just go through all the motions that way, have a look. It's really handy to have that in your tool bag. Quite a bit there, and obviously if it's locked, you just got to watch the first one, watch it all the way, and the one will open to the next video. So the next one we have, you can have a look as well, is good to go through, is personal development. This is getting the right mindset. There's a really interesting stuff to watch with Paul. Just watch through all these videos here. They're very interesting to watch, and it's good. Mindset's a big thing in trading. Another good one is Money Talk. Money Talks is good too with Annie and Jason. Just watch these videos too. They're really good. Lots of great information. And the beauty of having this trading academy, we got live sessions. So we can't make the live sessions. We have them recorded in the back office here. So from June, July, and August. So we'll go to the latest one in August, and that's the Monday one that's come up. Just click on that. So if you miss it, if you got you know, you're at work or night shift, or you're doing FIFO, or you just can't make it because of commitments, family commitments and stuff, comes up here. This is Donnie, and then there's a little review of what they're going to look at.
How is everybody?
So to go through there, that's the August one. Obviously it's August now, and then you can have a look at the older stuff as well. Go back to June, check that out. Let that load up a little bit, and there's all the June ones. So Tuesday morning, Tuesday night, Wednesday, Friday ones. There's all sorts of sessions we got. Obviously there's a whole month worth of goodies in there. Let's find some golden nuggets. Then you have July as well. Let that load up. The July have all the ones here too. Just click it and watch them. Sometimes you find little nuggets that you didn't even realize you can use, like in your tool bag for trading. That's a really good one too, 6-figure mentorship. And then we have the exchanges. So exchanges is the ones where you put your trade on. So they have Binance, Binance Futures. FTX is pretty new in the academy. We're just trying that out, but you know, all open book, just try it out. BitMEX as well. So you got Binance, FTX, and BitMEX. Just watch the videos as well, and just take your time watching it. Don't rush it, because the more you take your time writing things down, it makes more sense. What else do we have here? We have the other traders in here. They were students in MBA. Now they're trading, showing us they're being the coaches. The Shammy, which is we call him Shambo. He's got his own video there. We have Annie as well. She was a student. Now she's a trader, and she's teaching us how to trade. So she's one of the coaches. And we have Donnie. Donnie's got his own videos as well. So that's a little rundown of the education side of MBA Trading Academy. So if you guys want to know more, hit me up in the messages, or just give me a call. I'll be on Facebook, and then we can go from there. Other than that, have a great day and enjoy yourself. Peace out. Ciao, ciao. Bye.